It's no surprise when I tell you that many coaching businesses fail. And some do before they even get started. Because they never succeed at signing a client. So they never earn any type of income. And eventually, the coach loses patience, thinks it will never work out, and just gives up. In this video, I'll show you the 3 essentials to make your offer convert as a coach so you don't have to close business even before it gets started, like so many do. You deliver the right message to the right people at the right time. The right message. The right message is when you express the words with the words of your audience so they feel that you totally get them and understand them. When your message is right, your perfect client usually says, "Oh my God, it's as if you're talking to me." That's why spending a great deal of time knowing more about your perfect client helps you tremendously in crafting your messaging in front of the right people. In front of the right people means that you are selling something to people actively already looking for what you have to offer. People who already have a high perceived value of your services. People who are ready to invest to have their problems solved. For example, if you help parents overcome the communication issues with their teenagers, well, you can be in front of adults who don't have kids. Okay, that example seems obvious, but definitely that's a reflection that you need to have with yourself at the right time. There must be a sense of urgency behind your offer. They will never settle on a date to start working with you. They'll think they have plenty of time. That's why it's important for you to express why your potential client has to act now. And one of the easiest ways is to actually express what consequences they will have to face if they don't take action. If I take my business, for example, I help high achievers leverage their career into a successful online coaching business. The consequences of them not taking action into building their coaching business is continuously feeling undervalued and unfulfilled at their job. That could lead them to burnout, depression, mental health issues. Continue to job hop because they're trying to find a challenge, something that sparks their lives, and they know they will never find it because they don't fit anywhere in the 9-to-5 setting. They will have more debt because they will never get paid at their true value, and the cost of living, of course, increases, but if their salary doesn't, then there's a disconnect. They'll be grumpy, frustrated, their family will have problems dealing with them and all that stuff because they will be so negative. So for all of that, they might as well take action now. You sell them what they want, not what they need. People usually know what they need, but they're actually not always ready to buy it. People buy what they want, not what they need. For example, people need to eat healthy, but they want to buy junk food. There's this rule in marketing that advises to sell people what they want and give them what they need. And it's actually very wise advice because people are definitely willing to invest for what they want. And here are 2 reasons why. Either to avoid pain or to gain pleasure. When there's true transformation after the service you provide to your clients, there's definitely a huge amount of weight off their shoulders and you're avoiding so much pain for them. And when what you provide allows your client to feel overly excited and gain pleasure out of the whole experience, you've done well and that person becomes one of your marketing soldiers, meaning that they will talk about you to everyone that they know because they will feel so excited about the results that they've gotten with your services. And that, you know, is the cheapest form of marketing. It doesn't cost anything and it brings you clients. And that's why market research is a necessary step to take. It allows you to evaluate if people are truly ready to invest into your services. It allows you to understand what the market wants and to clarify the type of messaging that you want to have, not only in your marketing, but also in crafting your offer. You deliver results with a proven framework and the transformation is credible. And I'm not talking about the marketers claiming this. Do what I do and you'll get 6 figures within 30 days. Nope. The transformation has to feel credible for your audience, not something that's just been set in the air for them to get to buy from you. That's abuse, by the way. Getting results is a crucial part of getting your offer to convert. Because when you do, you can share these results with others and it does the marketing for you. When you get some results, it implies that you have a proven framework. It means that you have some type of system that your clients go through so you can get these results, and then you can share these results with the world, and then other people can be aware of your services and call you or get in touch with you to know more about it and buy from you too. An offer that converts is, of course, directly related to you earning more and more money as an online coach. And it's also related to making more impact in other people's lives and living your purpose. There are actually many ways to market your business, but one of them is podcasting. So click here on this video, because I'll show you how to market your coaching services using podcasting.